Welcome and welcome back to Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. As we said, we have turkeys, we have chicken, we have pigs, we have goats, we have other things. We also do crop farming. And right now, something special that we are talking about is our our dual purpose chicken. We are raising parent stock for our dual purpose birds. They are very good breeds, and we are saying that by May this year 2026 onwards, we shall be having fertilized eggs from our dual purpose chicken. We shall be having day-old chicks from this chicken. We shall be having 2 weeks old chicks from this chicken, and we shall be having 1 month old chicks from this chicken, as well as mature chicken from this very parent stock that we are raising. In our previous videos, we have shown you our 11-day-old parent stock. We showed you that they were growing very well. They did not have any infection, and we did not lose any of them. They were all available. Now we are going to show you the next level, how far these birds have moved. So here are our 6 weeks old dual purpose chicks that we showed you previously when they were only 11 days. They are now moved to the next premise where they will stay until they start laying eggs. They are performing very well. You can see the colors, you can see the body, you can see the alertness, you can see that they are doing perfectly well. Therefore, we are sure of meeting our targets of May 2026, that we shall be having the eggs, fertilized eggs available from this. So you can see these birds are not yet 2 months. They are just 6 weeks, and they are doing perfectly well. Therefore, as you wait patiently, and wait knowing that you are going to have the best birds, the best chicken for your farm. We shall be selling the fertilized eggs from this, and we shall also be selling day-old chicks from this. We shall be selling 2 weeks old chicks from this, because there are people who do not want to brood the birds. They want when we are finished brooding them, then we sell them off to them at 2 weeks, or they buy the chicks day old and they leave them with us for us to brood for them for 2 weeks. Some will want when they are already 1 month. We deliver wherever you want. Therefore, don't hesitate. Do your planning very well. Prepare the housing, prepare the brooding, prepare the incubator, prepare whatever is needed, the feeds, so that by that time you will be among the first people to order for this very wonderful chicken, or the wonderful chicks that will come out of this, or the eggs that will come out of this. We also have a unique chicken. You can see the other one, how it looks. We have only 2. One is female, that one there. One is female and one is male. They are actually very good and hardy chicken, and we want to have them. Actually, this chicken that we are having here, they are 2 different breeds, which means we are going to generate F1